How to reset edits in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select the image you want to edit or capture a new photo using the camera icon at the top right. Once your photo opens in the editing workspace, if you want to reset any changes, simply tap the Undo button to step back to your recent edits. Keep tapping Undo until your photo returns to the original state or the point you want. This is the way to reset your edits since there is no dedicated reset option in Photoleap. After that, you can start fresh with your edits or continue working on your photo. And that's it. Now you know how to reset edits in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.